express 0.6 in the form of P by Q. Here we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal and write the number you are getting. Here you are getting 6 after eliminating the decimal point. And for denominator, just write 10 for every digit. So we have one digit, so write 10. Now we need to reduce this fraction. How to do that? We need to divide numerator and denominator by the same number, which is called factor. So this 6 is divisible by 2, this 10 is divisible by 2. If you divide this 6 by 2, you will get 3. If you divide this 10 by 2, you will get 5. So we are getting 3 over 5. This is the reduced form. Look, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. 1 times 3 means 3 and 1 times 5 means 5. There the only common factor between these two numbers is 1. If you divide these two numbers by the common factor, this thing will not change. So this is the result.